this is how to transfer money from your AirTM to your Payoneer account. The first thing you need to do if you are new to AirTM, you need to sign up to AirTM. When you use my link, which is below the description of this video, AirTM will give you a gift of $3. You can see this is my AirTM account and this is my Payoneer account. So Payoneer is one of the best platforms that you can work with. For you to move money and fund your Payoneer using AirTM, you come to withdraw. It implies that you have money on your AirTM account that you want to transfer to your Payoneer account. So for you to move your money from AirTM to your Payoneer account, you click withdraw. You click search. You type Payoneer. You can fund your Payoneer Euro account, GBP account, and USD account. For the purpose of this video, let's use USD. This transaction will take 4 stages. The AirTM transaction revolve around you locating a pair that you can transfer your money to. The same pair will now help you fund your Payoneer account. The first thing you need to know is that the minimum amount of money you can transfer to Payoneer from AirTM is $50. If you are transferring aside $50, this is the amount you will get on your Payoneer USD account. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you configure your Payoneer account inside AirTM. That is, you will use your Payoneer email account and input your Payoneer details inside the AirTM. So all you need to do is to follow the step-by-step process and you will now be able to transfer your money on AirTM to a pair that is on AirTM too, but as a Payoneer. Your pair will now come to Payoneer. Your pair will come to Payoneer. You will click pay. This menu is for Payoneer to Payoneer account. It will do the transfer to your account in Payoneer. So it is a straightforward transaction. You will do peer-to-peer transfer from AirTM to another Payoneer user that is on AirTM. As soon as the pair gets the money on AirTM, the pair will transfer the money from his own account on Payoneer to your own account in Payoneer. So that is how you'll be able to transfer your money from AirTM to your Payoneer account. You can do that very fast. Don't forget to use my link to sign up to AirTM, especially if you are new. When you use that link, AirTM will give you a gift of $3. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video. Thank you for doing that for me. Bye for now.